Hi, I'm Ronnie, and I'm starting a new video series where I show how to maintain and propagate fig trees. These are all the fig trees that I currently have in my collection, and I all started out with 3 parental trees. It's these trees, and all the offspring and rest of the trees came from only these 3 fig trees. So if you're interested in seeing how to go from this to this, or from this to this, stick around. I will show the process of propagation, some unique methods of propagating fig trees. It's really quite easy. And I'll also show the process of maintaining trees. It is clear that some of them have been growing quite wild and they need a bit of maintenance. And I will show some of that in the upcoming year. Some of these trees will go outside, but since it's winter right now, I will do minor maintenance on them and keep them inside until it is a bit warmer. I will also show how to plant and maintain trees inside glass jars. Those trees are also fig trees, and they have been growing inside there for almost 3-4 years now. I also have an aquarium, and it is leaking, so I will convert it into a terrarium, and I might plant some trees in there as well. The first video in the series that I am planning will be about the oldest tree that I have in my collection. It's almost 15 years old, and I have made a cutting that is turning into a really nice tree as well. And I will show maintenance and shaping of the small new tree also. So if you're interested in bonsai, I can highly recommend fig trees. They're incredibly forgiving, they grow really fast, and it's really easy to maintain them. So stick around, subscribe, and see how I progress with these trees throughout the year. Some bonus information: when I was really young, I worked on fig wasps, the pollinator of these trees. So let me know in the comments if you're interested to learn more about the 800 species of fig trees and the pollinators. These trees are, of course, not pollinated. They don't bear any fruit. They're just ornamental, but they're really just a small subsection of the wonderful world of fig trees. So let me know if you're interested to hear a bit more about them. Thanks for watching.